Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about solving one-step division equation. Consider the example y by 9 equal to 3. To solve this, first we need to isolate the variable y. So, you have 9 at the denominator. In order to isolate the variable y, you need to multiply y times 9 by 9. So, what will happen is this 9 will get cancelled out and the variable y will become isolated. That when you multiply one side by a number, you have to multiply the other side also using the same number in order to balance the equation. So, balancing is very important. So, for the first step is in order to isolate the variable y, you are multiplying the left side times 9. So, you have to do the same the right side also. So, I am multiplying both sides times 9. Now, the 9 will get cancelled out and 3 times 9 is going to be equal to 27. So, the value of y will be 27. Consider the example minus a by 3 equal to minus 12. So, you can see here with the variable a minus 1 by 3. Minus a by 3 means minus 1a by 3. That is like 1 by 3a. So, minus 1 by 3 is the number associated with the variable a. So, in order to isolate it, I am just multiplying a times 3 or 3 times a by 3. When I multiply one side by a number, I have to do the same other side also. So, both sides I am multiplying times 3. Now, here you can see that 3 will get cancelled out. It is going to be minus a. And here you can see it is minus 12 times 3, that is going to be minus 36. So, what we have now is minus a equal to minus 36. This minus will get cancelled out and the a is going to be equal to 36. Consider the example 14 equal to y by 2. The variable is on the right side. So, in order to isolate it, I am simply multiplying both sides times 2. Here, in order to isolate the variable y, I have to avoid the number 2 at the denominator. That is why I am multiplying the numerator times 2. So, to balance the equation, when you multiply one side by a number, you have to multiply the other side also using the same number. That is why you are multiplying 2 on both sides. Now, the 2 will get cancelled out. 2 times 14, that is going to be equal to 38. That is equal to y. So, the solution for this equation is y equal to 28. Consider the example minus 1 equal to c by 4. So, the first step, as I told you, is to isolate the variable c. For that, I am multiplying both sides times 4. Why are you multiplying by 4? Because 4 is at the denominator. In order to isolate the variable c, you have to avoid the number 4. So, in order to cancel this, I need to have 4 at the numerator also. So, I am just cancelling out 4 so that the variable c will get isolated. To balance the equation, I have to multiply the other side also times 4. So, 4 times minus 1 is going to be minus 4. So, the value of c in this equation is minus 4. Consider the example v by 3 1 by 5 equal to minus 7 by 4. So, 3 1 by 5, it is in a mixed fraction form. In order to isolate the variable v, we need to get rid of 3 1 by 5. For that, I am just multiplying 3 1 by 5 times v by 3 1 by 5. So, what will happen is this 3 1 by 5 will get cancelled out and the v will get isolated. When you multiply one side by a number, to balance the equation, you have to multiply the other side also using the same number. So, I am simply multiplying both sides times 3 1 by 5. So, here you are left with v, the variable is isolated, that is going to be equal to. Now, let us solve this. It will be minus 7 by 4 times. Now, we have to convert this mixed fraction 3 1 by 5 to a fraction. Let us first solve this 3 1 by 5. Let us convert it to a fraction. So 3 1 by 5 is equal to, consider this whole number 3 and the denominator first. Simply multiply it 3 times 5. Then add it with the numerator. Plus 1 divided by, you have 5 at the denominator. Simply put that 5. So that is going to be equal to 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 by 5. That is 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. So 16 by 5 is the fraction form for this mixed fraction 3 1 by 5. So now we got 16 by 5 as a fraction form for 3 1 by 5. Now I am simply going to substitute this. Minus, so V equal to minus 7 by 4 times this 16 by 5. And here you can see, you can cancel this 4 and 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. So I am just cancelling it. Now you are left with, you have a minus sign here, that's equal to minus 7 times 4. This 7 and this 4, that's 28 divided by 5. Now minus 28 by 5 is the fractional solution, fraction form for this equation. Now minus 28 by 5 is the fraction form, improper fraction form for this equation. You can convert it to a mixed number. Now let me tell you how to convert this minus 28 by 5 to a mixed fraction. So for that I am just dividing 28 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, subtract 3. So you are left with the remainder 3. The quotient is 5. So how to convert this to a mixed fraction? Just put the negative sign, and what is at the quotient? That is going to be the whole number minus 5. That is the quotient. Then what is the remainder? That is 3, and then divided by the denominator, you have to write as such, this 5 divided by 5. So minus 5, 3 by 5 is going to be the mixed fraction form for this equation. Consider the example 6 by 5 equal to h by minus 3 by 8. So first we have to isolate the variable h. For that you need to multiply minus 3 by 8 on both sides. So in order to isolate the variable h, we have to avoid minus 3 by 8. And so I am multiplying both times by minus 3 by 8. My minus 3 by 8 times 6 by 5 equal to this. So now what will happen? Minus 3 by 8 will get cancelled out and we will be left with the variable h on the right side. Now how to solve this? Here you can see both 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. So I am simply cutting. This is 4. This is going to be equal to 3. So minus 3 times 3, which is minus 9. 4 times 5 is going to be 20. So the value of h will be equal to minus 9 by 20. Consider the example p divided by 9 equal to minus 2 by 9. So in order to isolate the variable p, just multiply both sides times 9. So what will happen? This 9 will get cancelled out and the p will get isolated. So I am multiplying this side times 9. I have to do the same thing on the right side also in order to balance the equation. So now you are left with p, that is equal to minus 2.9 times 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 balance, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is going to be 26. And we have one number after the decimal, so minus 26.1 is going to be the value of p. Consider the example s by 9.2 equal to 5.2. To solve this, you have to isolate the variable s. So I am multiplying 9.2 times s by 9.2. That is going to be equal to 5.2 times, I multiplied left side times 9.2. So I have to do the same on the right side also. So this will get cancelled out, the variable s will get isolated. That is equal to, now you have to multiply this. To do that, 9 to 92 times 52. 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, balance 1, 45, 46, 4, 8, 7, 4. So So now you have here after the decimal one number is there, here after the decimal one number is there. So you have to move 2 decimals. So 47.84 is going to be the value of S. Have understood about solving one-step division equation in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.